Topic number 2. So for our next topic, topics 2 and 3, same na sila class. Kung imong basahon, flexural strength of reinforced concrete member, analysis, and then the design. Muna ako siyang gitibo. References are kani. I think kaning ikatulog class, if you have a PDF of this from your friends, this one is a good reference book. Kani, if you don't have, pwede mo mag-amot og kwarta tanan and then you buy one and then scan it and share the PDF files to others. So the topic we're going to discuss this morning, we will start that we're going to start discussing is analysis and design of a member, of a reinforced concrete member under bending or under flexure. So to understand the behavior of the member, we will set an example, the beam under these loads, kaning duha, kaning concentrated load, duha ka buok. This is the beam. And then this is your support. Kana. During the application of the load, the beam will bend. Will bend. Wait, drawing sa takalay. Will bend. So nakaning duha nga load, if you have a uniformly distributed load or sa panada nga load, in this case kaning duha concentrated man. So ang may tabo sa imong beam class, ang may tabo sa imong beam, if we will exaggerate or padakuon, mag-bend siya inani. Kini diri nga part sa ibabaw, di ba gi-compress? It's being compressed. Pana. In which, according to our discussion kagaina, concrete is good in compression. So okay ni diri dapit. Here, ang expand, di ba? Ipang stretch. Ipang stretch siya. And this part here is in tension. Now, as we have discussed kagaina, we have discussed earlier, the concrete member under tension is weak. Since weak man diri nga part class, we have to reinforce this part here using the cabilia or reinforcing steel bars or rebar. And that cabilia is kaning dash line. Mao na nga na siya gibutang diri nga area of the steel. Kaning mga inana cracks na, shear cracks. Pero dili kasaga nato ang istoryahan because the topic restricts bending or flexure. Unya na ng shear sa sunod na po na. So remind yourself that this topic is about bending. Remember, is under bending. In the next slide, we have methods here. Two methods. First is the working stress design. Kini class, wala na yung ginagamit. Wala na siya ginagamit. Ang second is the Ultimate Strength Design or USD. Ginagamit niya siya karon. Is still being used. Wala na ni. Ang ilang formulas are different. Na ilang formulas. For the USD, the loads are multiplied by factors. It uses a more realistic consideration of safety, provides more economical design, make use of a more rational approach than does WSD. Okay, next slide. Now, we will apply this behavior of the beam under these loads and create formulas. First is the rectangular beam, in which we will take a section A. Kaning A, section A. Kanang section A, ang drawing anak class is kini. So, diara sa ubos ang AS. Ano ganing naadiri ang bilya sa ubos?
Kinasaubos ang tensile sir.
Hmm.
Stress.
Tungod kay ang sa ubos is intention. Niya kaside naman ta nga ang concrete, if it is in tension, mabuak or weak. Therefore, we will reinforce this with a steel, in which ang steel is good intention man. Good in tension. So, nindot sila nga solution. So, ang problem sa concrete beam is solved. Napangitaan og solusyon sa mga engineer aron dili siya maguba. So after getting the cross-sectional view of that beam, magbutang ta og mga notations. This is for the area of the steel, the total area of the kabilya. This is the width of the beam B. Kaning small d is the effective depth of the beam. That is from the outermost part of the beam at the top to the centroid of the steel bars. And then this line is the neutral axis. From the top to neutral axis is letter C, small letter C. Now, according sa study done by engineers, The actual stress diagram of this is kining a drawing. Kana. Kining rebar dere as a tension force equal to area of the steel bar, AS, times the yield stress of the steel bar. And then kining diri sa ibabaw kaning C, def C, has a diagram like this. A curve in which ang maximum niya is measured as FC. This is the compressive strength of the concrete, one of the property of the concrete as mentioned in topic 1. So mo ni imong diagram for the stress. Gihinay-hinay ko na istorya class tungod kay kasayod ko nga libog ni siya sa sugod ug lisod ang mga next. So please listen and then take notes. So after nila na nabuhat ni nga diagram, si Eugene Whitney nag-create siya og rectangular block na rectangular stress block equivalent to this. Aron sayon ra pag-analyze to simplify the analysis. Instead of a curve, rectangular yung gibuhat in which ang height is A and then kini instead of 100% nga FC prime according sa ACI, American Concrete Institute, in which we will be using, that is the code or reference. It's like if you are a Catholic in a religion, if you're a Catholic, your basis of your belief to God is the Bible. Reference mo ang Bible dire kantong ACI. Ingon niya dito, you will only use 85% of its total FC prime. So there's a factor of safety of 15%. So uniformly distributed load man na siya. Ang iyang equivalent concentrated force acting at the center of the rectangular shape. That is therefore A over 2 because this is A. That is C. No, denoted as letter C, or the compression load equal to width times height. Width times height nga A. Kanang B class kini. So mo na yung mga compression load. Dayon ang yang distance to T is D man eh. So that's D minus A over 2. Mo na siya class. Mo na ang gibuhat ni Whitney. Whitney stress block. Additionally, this is the diagram of the strain. Strain diagram at the top, strain diagram of the concrete. Again, according to ACI, we will use only the 0.003. And then for the steel, using this formula, familiar man sa inyong strength of material. Strain is equal to the stress divided by modulus of elasticity. And then, kaning top to its zero, before siya nag-change to the other side, is C. Okay? Kini class, wala tayong buhat ani kay this is according to the result of the experiments man. Let us just follow this one. Do you have question? As of this time,
Wala na, sir.
wala ra. Okay. Na, unyang hapon class, unyang hapon, using these drawings or diagrams, we will derive some formulas. Formulas that will help us in solving problems, in designing concrete members under bending. This is for the rectangular beam and then singly reinforced. Okay? Kay gipanggutom naman ta and then ang uban gipanglaay kay boring kayo ang structural engineering. So magpahulay sa taglas para mga taya 100% about tong strength niya. Okay? So I think all of us are present. Naani siya sa libro tanan dili ko maghatag og copy sa ako ang presentation. Ito tanan sa yung PDF. Basahan ninyo ito tanan. And then compile para kamo ang maka-learn. Here, I will teach you. Tabangan mo. Pero dili na ko nihatag sa inyo kay para maningkamot ang tanan. Ako maningkamot ko gumuhat ang class. Ngayon, paningkamot ko mong study. Okay na? Okay, sige. See you this afternoon. Bye-bye.